recording it just to kind of. So it just says to raise money for the new football uniforms, a school sells T-shirts. Red T-shirts cost the school $7 and are sold for $10. Green T-shirts cost the school $9 and are sold for $14. The school spends a total of $2,500 and sells them all for $4,200. Which system of equations will solve how many of each color shirt? Okay. So we're looking at red versus, what was the other one? Green, I guess. Red T-shirts sell or cost $7. So one of the things we can say, I guess X is probably red and Y is probably green. I'm not sure. They don't really specify that. We just have to see that. But they tell you both the cost, the total cost was 25, and both how much you sold them all for, which was 4,200. So let's start with the cost. The cost was 7 for the red ones, and the cost was 9 for the green ones. So how do we write out that equation for the cost?
Sorry, the answer is D.
The answer is D?
Yeah.
Well, I did post the answers, right?
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think so. But anyways, yeah, so
speaking of which, sir, are any of these questions going to be on the test?
there might be some on there, but the idea is that it's supposed to be like similar to these, right? But yeah, so the cost is 7 for the red one. So we can say 7x plus 9y is equal to 2,500. That's the equation for the total cost. And now for the amount that we sold them for, we sold these for 10. We sold these other ones for 14. So 10x plus 14y is equal to 4,200. So yeah, looks like the answer would be D, right? I guess the idea is, you just got to keep your numbers sort of consistent, right? I guess none of the other answers really make all that much sense.
Because they're dumb.
Yeah, so you just got to keep the numbers consistent. Let's see. So obviously for the graphing ones, we don't have the calculators, but if you guys go into Desmos, right, that should help you guys out. You could even do the inequalities on Desmos too, I'm sure. Like
Can I just go steal a calculator from the school?
No, I'm telling you, it's probably easier to even just do them right here on Desmos. Because I'm not gonna be there. I don't really feel like driving all the way out there. Here, let me.
I'll pay you. I'll pay you some money, sir.
Here, let me just show you guys really quick, right? So yeah, we go on Desmos and we go into the graphing calculator. And if we're gonna do the other problem, it was 2y, amount to 2y, and right here, the lower corner was greater than or equal to x minus 2, right? So it gives you that with the shading and everything. And we start another one, 4x minus 3y, 4x minus 3y is greater than 6. And it even gives you the dotted line and everything, right? So we just want to compare that to whichever answer choice looks the best. Number 6 is the one that we're looking at here. And just kind of looking at that, we see a solid line, a dotted line, and I guess the area where they meet, which ends up being, this part over here, right? So let's keep that in mind and then just go back to the question. So which one looks like it most likely is the answer?
H.
H, right? We have the dotted line going up like that, the solid line, and then the area where they meet is over here, okay? So yeah, the answer should be H. So it should be pretty simple. This one actually uses 3 inequalities, but it should be pretty simple if you just go on Desmos and do that, right? Let's see. We can see right here, right. Well, did you guys have any other, like, did you guys have any questions specifically? Is there any that you want to go over?
The test is gonna be out on Friday, right? Or tomorrow?
Yeah, I'll
Mhm.
probably, I'll post that tomorrow, and then it'll be, you know, you just put your answers through DMAC.
Okay.
Yeah. Does that sound
Follow
good?
up question. Can you send my ID to to me, sir? I lost my computer and my ID was in it.
I'll send those to you guys. Yep.
All right, cool.
All right. But yeah, you guys have any other questions? Anything that you may need?
Wait, what are you gonna send to us?
Your student ID, because you have to, if you don't know it, so you can put in the answers on DMAC.
Oh, because I have to put in DMAC.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and send those to you.
Are any of these questions gonna be on the test?
There might.